This is a flashlight for bike. Can you tell what's wrong with it? Yep, the LEDs are always on, always. That's crazy. So I got it faulty, and yeah, the listing says that it's always on, and it stopped taking charge, but actually it's still functioning. Let me show you. When you press once, you'll see there's a blue light here. This is like a switch for the ambient light sensor. Because it's bright now, the light is not on, but once it gets dark, the light will be on, as you can see. See? And then you press again, that's always on, and then you press one more time, a little bit dimmer. You press one more time, flashlight, and then back again to the ambient. And if you want to turn it off, you press and hold, and it should be off. Everything's off, except for the LEDs. That's the first issue. Second issue, it doesn't take charge. Let me show you. And grab a charger. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. So it's always on like this. I don't know what's happening with this thing. So let's open it and see what's going on with it. Technology. It's still on. Okay. Can we remove this? Oh yeah, we can. Nice. That's the board. And the battery. That's it. That's the whole thing. Oh, okay. I mean, this is the positive and this is the negative, but the colors are actually reversed. But it's not like polarity is reversed. I mean, like, as you can see, B plus is going to the plus, but yeah, it's just, yeah, the color difference, nothing more. So let's check if the battery is okay or not flat or anything. Let's check that with the multimeter. Multimeter in voltage, Washington, D.C. Oh, okay. It's not like flat or anything. Okay, that's good news. It's not a battery issue, apparently, but definitely these LEDs are draining the battery somehow. So let's see what's happening here. Although it looks very clean, I don't see any blown anything, you know. So let's put it on the microscope and see what's going on. All right, so this is the board. This is the ambient light sensor. And this 4057 sounds very familiar to me. Okay, this is definitely the battery charging IC. This is the microcontroller, obviously. So as you can see, that controls these LEDs, you know, and stuff. These definitely the LEDs like the battery indicator LEDs. We have a transistor. Have the resistor, capacitor, capacitors. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, how about we check for shorts? Maybe there is a shorted capacitor or something. Multimeter in continuity. We need a ground. So we have the USB port. We can use it as a ground, because why not? Okay. All right. No shorted capacitors so far. Let's check this transistor. I don't know, just for fun. Let's switch to diode mode. Okay. Hey. Wait, what? Let's reverse the probes. I mean, those two legs are shorted together. This is wrong, right? What? Do you think it has to do anything with the charging problem? Is it also shorted if I change it to continuity? I heard that if you have, but the continuity here, I don't know if the multimeter is in shot. Let me just, the continuity here is 17 ohms. It's not like a dead short or anything. Is it because the battery is connected? Or what? No idea. Okay, let's disconnect the battery first. I should have done that, right? Okay, so let's disconnect the battery and then we test again. You need some fresh solder. So now we can test again. Okay, multimeter in diode mode. Oh. Let's reverse polarity. Okay, so seems like the diode is okay. So what could... So why it's not charging? And why it's always on? That's kind of weird. Do we have a blown resistor or something? I don't know. What is 1R5? 1R5 is 1.5 ohms. Okay, let's see. 1.5 ohms, right? Okay, that's 1.7. It's not too far. This is a 10K resistor. What is a 304? 300 kilo ohms. Okay. 300 kilo ohms. 300 kilo ohms, and it's only giving me 83 kilo ohms. That's not right. This is 1.4. What is a 1.4? Or 104, I mean. This is 100 kilo ohms. Okay. Do we have 100 kilo ohms or something close? Okay, this is 75. It's not too far gone. 2.2 is like what? 2 kilo ohms? Do we have 2 kilo ohms here? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, this one should be 470 kilo ohms, and it's giving me 17 kilo ohms. So this is, yeah, definitely these are not shorted or anything. What is the actual problem with this thing? So since this resistor is giving us a little bit funny reading, I don't know, maybe because it's in circuit, that's why it's giving a little bit, you know, this weird reading, like the 83 only, supposed to be 300 kilo ohms, right? So let's try to remove it and test it outside the circuit and see, maybe it's just measures like this because it's in circuit. Let me try to cover these stuff with aluminum tape. Okay. So multimeter on ohms again. Now let's see. Oh yeah, it's now measuring correct. That's very correct. Okay, so that was because it's in circuit. Okay. What could be the problem? So let's put it back the way it was. So what could be the problem in your opinion? I mean, if it's the microcontroller, I mean, that would be crazy, right? I mean, pretty much game over, right? Could it be this IC? The charging IC? Also, do you think this is the same IC we used in also in the previous video when we fixed that headlamp flashlight thing? Is it the same? Because it's the same number. It's the 4057. Exactly same number. What shall we do now? Yeah, this is pin number 1. You know what? You know, let's just remove it. Let's have fun with this thing. Why not? Okay. I'm gonna just cover this sensor thing. And let's remove this one and see. Okay, that's the IC. Thing is, I don't know what is the actual cause. Like, why it ended up this way? I mean, I don't think the previous owner used like a weird charger or something. I mean, it's definitely the same 5 volts power brick, right? Should go this way, I guess. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so we replaced the IC. Now what? Should we connect the battery back and see? Hopefully it won't explode in my face.
Explode in my face.
Oh no. For real? Oh my gosh, I hate that. Why? I mean, it was here, right? Right, so let's grab some wires. We have a black one, and that's a red one. Is that the same size? Oh yeah, looks like it. That's a little bit long. Snip it. Snip. Right. Other side is, I think, the other side is good. Let's tin these pads. Right. This is microscope. I barely can see that, right? We have the battery minus. I'll lose flux, don't worry. Added some flux. Let's now attach the battery to this. So of course I have to remove this one. Oh my gosh, I hate this. I remember the other day I bought this thingy from AliExpress. It's like a battery cell stand. You can use it when you do cool stuff like that. This one. It's very nice. Look at, see? Very cool, right? Okay, this is the positive. It's connected with the positive. I'm not a big fan of soldering directly on the battery, to be honest with you. But yeah, it is what it is. Add some flux. And then a blob of solder. Okay. So now we changed black with black and red with red, right? Okay, you notice something now. The LEDs are not on always, but you know, I changed the IC blindly. I just saw the number is similar to the same IC that I have that we used in the previous video, like if you want to watch it. And I don't know if this is the right IC for this or not, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna plug it in, and if it goes kaboom, I think the Electro Boom guy will be proud of me. Moment of truth in 3, 2, 1. Oh no. No way! Bro! 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 It's charging. It's charging. Look, even, look. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Yes, come on. What? What? Wow, it was that little, you little, sorry, alcohol. It was that one. It was that one all along. You, oh my goodness, that's insane, bro. That's insane. It's charging. It's charging. Yes. Okay, so I'll put back together everything and let's test it. Okay. Let's just clear the disk a little bit. I'm trying to, I really like this thing. It's very helpful. I will leave the link in the description if you're interested. So let's put back the stuff together. Wow, I'm so happy. Oh, sorry, the battery first. Should I like cover this part with any Kapton tape or anything? Think it's a good idea? Yeah, because it goes this way. If it shorts with the port, I don't know, for whatever reason, you know, like let's just put a Kapton tape. And also there's a little bit of proud here. Much better now. Yeah, better than before. Cool. Let's grab Kapton tape. There's just some flux in here. Let me wipe it off. Okay, so I removed the residue. Maybe same here. Another piece here as well. And we're good to go, I guess. So let's put it back the way it was. Nice. This is the reflector thing. All right. Okay, snaps in place, nice. Nice. Okay, let's give it a test. Let me turn off the lights. Nice. This is the ambient light sensor. It's on now. See, when I put my finger, the light gets more brighter. Now it gets a little bit dimmer. Now this is the always on. This is a little bit dimmer. Flash. Back to ambient, and then when I press and hold, turns off. Nice. Okay, lights will be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. So let's also try to charge it and see, just in case, one more time. Okay, we have a charger, cable. Very nice. Cool. It's charging. Yay. Cool. Okay, nice. Yeah, that was a nice fix. I enjoyed it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and also subscribe and leave a comment and do your thing. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.